Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For the vast majority, the response to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of prominence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun as opposed to specialized items and administration. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor absent any trace of essentials. Image coins don't serve genuine use and have no functional utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low worth and high flow. The majority of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of pennies. In view of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named dogecoin. It is a cryptographic money with the topic Doge image. Kabasu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital forms of money. Yet the fame of Dogelon Mars Elon has in the end expanded. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable and system for Dogelon Mars Elon, so for $1 you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars Elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars Elon, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The verifiable information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was loaded with linguistic and spelling blunders, which had in the long run become viral via online entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was coursed on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the Dogecoin to jab the serious other crypto tokens available for use. Dogecoin was planned as a distributed cryptographic money to engage more extensive demography than Bitcoin. It had sent off at a $0 divided by token worth, yet the exchanges were executed past assumption. Consequently, the cost of Dogecoin soared and afterward stopped at $0 72 hours or less. The value development of Dogecoin is somewhat insane and profoundly unstable. Subsequently, wise financial backers took advantage of the unpredictability to become affluent temporarily. Dogelon Mars digital currency. The digital currency of Dogelon Mars is known as ELON, which is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain sent off in April 2021. It is named ELON, and the name came after Elon Musk. He is a fan and financial backer of Dogecoin. It has respectable tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded in major decentralized trades with copious symbolic matches. ELON USDT market pair is accessible on Poloniex. Record can be opened through name or email address on such trades. Dogelon Mars cryptographic money is viral via virtual entertainment and has got media publicity. Individuals began putting resources into the token. In October, Dogelon Mars Elon cost rose more than 40x times and gave an enormous return. Then it moved into 150th position as far as market cap. Specialized examination of information shows Dogelon Mars followed the path of Shiba Inu for token appropriation. A big part of the tokens were shipped off Vitalik Buterin. Afterward, Buterin gave his commitment to noble cause and the coronavirus help asset. By this, Dogelon Mars engineers guaranteed fair circulation of the coin all along, since it is characterized as a fair widespread digital money. There was no presale of tokens. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 coins have been made subsequent to sending half to Vitalik Buterin. The following half of tokens are secured Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH pair. Then it is locked until the end of time. The chance of beginning liquidity drawdown was eliminated from the monstrous potential gain push of October 2021. The market cap flooded from $26 million on October 1, 2021 to $1.19 million by October 30, 2021. At the point when it is recorded on OKEX, it has energized over 200% potential gain. The general ascent was considered as a retail craziness by specialists in the crypto market. What makes ELON one of a kind? Dogelon Mars, as expressed above, depends on a K9 topic, utilizes an entertaining interesting story of Dogelon, and is completely founded on Dream. There are different brief tales set up on the site of Dogelon that notice the coin continuing on his undertakings to Mars, where he experiences more companion. The thought is to investigate the greatest riddles of the universe and endeavor to recolonize the planet with his different companion. The unusualness of Dogelon Mars' Elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the cryptographic money market. Thus, giving an exact Dogelon Mars cost gauge is very troublesome. Verifiable information of Elon cost shows the passage Dogelon Mars cost was around $0. Not long after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0. Dogelon Mars specialized examination shows that the Elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0, wound up at $0, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token. 29th, 30th. The 31st of October 2021 has shaped the most noteworthy flame with the colossal backing of volume. In the span of 3 days, Elon cost has moved from $0 by gigantic volume. In the span of a month, a modest bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then bears began pulling back the Elon cost, which made a dive to $0. As of now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive pattern soon. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2022. Dogelon Mars expectation predicts a greatest cost of Dogelon Mars of $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2022 proposes the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise. Dogelon Mars Coin Forecast 2023. In view of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost expectation begins at $0. The greatest Dogelon Mars cost estimate for 2023 is $0. The typical cost is $0. Our Dogelon Mars Elon value forecast ought not be considered as a venture exhortation to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Expectation 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost forecast, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0. The typical cost of Elon could reach $0. Value expectations predict Elon needs to arrive at an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Elon value expectations are expected to begin at $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0. A future cost of $0 the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Subsequently, the Elon cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is impressive for speculation more than a 5-year time period. Dogelon Mars gauge 2026 and then some. The Elon cost expectations predict starting at $0, and a possible increment is normal for what's in store. Dogelon Mars has a lot of hazard in light of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. Just digital money enthusiasts can play with the image coin for the present moment. Any other way, you can contribute and stand by. However, you can't rest assured about the profits. As indicated by Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0. It is a sort of karma in light of the fact that the Dogelon Mars value developments are driven for the most part by virtual entertainment, publicity, jokes from networks, and related declarations. History shows